Okay, after the rain, we're going to replace these wiper blades on this Bentley. Okay, there's a function to replace the wiper blades. We turn the key on. We let the navigation system or the command system to boot up, and we go to there's a function that you go back to the setup, and there's a function that says maintenance, and then you go into the wiper change, so it will stop the wipers where they are. Make sure you leave the key on, otherwise it'll go back to zero. And so we got the new wiper, and it's very easy. You just pull them up, pull the clip up, and make sure this is lined up again, and then lock it in place. There we go. Okay, now this one, then you go up, take it off, and get the new one in. And make sure this is like a triangular shape hub in there. Make sure it goes in straight. Okay, then we're done. So now what we do is we go back here and we go wiper change, we go again, and that's it, it's reset. Now we make sure that there we go. Wiper change, Bentley Continental GT or Flying Spur, same procedure. Thank you.